In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to YouTube for an easy integration that will streamline your content uploading process. This is a fantastic way to automate uploads and save time, ensuring your files transition smoothly from Drive to your YouTube channel. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Zappia's main page. If you're not familiar with Zappia, it's a handy online tool that connects different apps and services to automate tasks. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create button. This will initiate the process of setting up a new Zap, which is essentially a workflow that links your selected apps together. After clicking Create, you'll see a section labeled Zaps. Within this area, there's an option to search for specific workflows. Type in Copilot Connect Google Drive and YouTube. This will help you find the appropriate integration that matches the process we're setting up today. Once you've found it, simply click on Add All Steps to Zap. This action will populate all necessary steps in your workspace, presenting a clear path to complete the setup. The next step requires choosing a trigger event. A trigger is an event that starts your Zap, such as a new file added to Google Drive. Select the triggering action that suits your workflow. Typically for this integration, you might choose the creation of a new file or a specific update in your Drive. Once selected, it's time to sign into your Google account. Follow the prompts to provide necessary permissions, ensuring everything is authorized for your workflow. With your account connected, you'll now click on Configure. This section allows you to tailor the Zap to specific requirements. Ensure your configurations align with the intended workflow and modify any default settings if necessary. After configuration, click on the Upload Video action. This step ensures the file from Drive is set to transfer over to your YouTube channel. Repeat a similar process for your YouTube account. Once more, select a trigger event. This time it might focus on the reception of new content from Drive. Sign into your YouTube account just as you did with Google, granting any permissions needed to facilitate the integration. In the next step, you'll hit Configuration again. This will be specific to how you want the content uploaded, title, description, privacy settings, and so forth. Feel free to test the connectivity and functionality by clicking Test. This will conduct a simulation to ensure everything's working as expected. If all goes smoothly, the final step is to click on Publish. This action seals the deal, activating your Zap and allowing your processes to flow seamlessly from Google Drive to YouTube. And there you have it, an easy way to connect your Google Drive to YouTube, leveraging the power of Zappia to automate and streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you spend less time managing uploads and more time creating amazing content.